Hello everyone, I wanted to talk about these KOZYSPHERE Pub Bar Tables. We have them here in the office. They're described as 39.5 inches high. I just measured these and they're about 40 inches high to be exact. They're really good looking standing tables that you can use in the home or the office. And you can see it has this nice kind of wood finish here. This is actually MDF board, which is medium density fiberboard. And it has like a textured melamine veneer finish, they say. And this is nice. It's easy to wipe off and clean. The table is nice, sturdy, and stable. It comes with these metal legs, and also you can adjust the foot pads here. So if you need to level it out on uneven ground, you can adjust these foot pads, which is nice. You can tighten them or loosen them so you can get the adjustment on all four legs. So you have these Allen head type hex screws that you just secure the foundation to the base here. So you have the main support across the middle, and then each of these four posts, they just screw into the top support here. And then that top support secures to the wood top with just a screw. There's 6 of them on the top here. Nice, strong, and sturdy, good for home and office use. Again, this is the KOZYSPHERE Pub Bar Table with a wood finish and metal frame. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.